many of you remember that have ever seen, I'm not going to ask if you've used one or not, the old Ringer washing machines, the old washing machines.
I got my arms pulled through one when I was probably 4.
How old? What are you talking about?
The old Ringer washing machine,
Oh, yeah.
the hand crank one,
Well,
and then we updated and got either a, what was it? It was a Maytag gas powered engine, and the whole thing sat on your back porch because you didn't run it inside your kitchen. And then, as the ruralization of America they got electricity. They went to electric motor. Well, this kind of dovetails into that. There it stood, a far cry from today's automatic washing machine of gleaming porcelain and push-button controls. It had no hot and cold water intake or discharge hose, no electrical plug-in, no wash and rinse cycle. Just a wooden tub supported by 4 legs, and most simply of manual operating machinery, a 15-inch wheel, hand-turned to set in motion a clumsy 4-pronged gyrator which swirled the soap-lathered, water-soaked clothes. But do you know that the humble machine did a cleaning job superior to that of many of today's automatic washing machines? Like the out-of-date washer, the old-fashioned gospel of Jesus and his love is considered today by some as antiquated, out of step with the times, does that ring a bell? And fit only to be discarded. The search is on for change, for something new and more exciting. At the moment, the chase is focused on Scientology, free-thought cults, religious science, astrology, and the mutterings of physics. As I saw a lot of kids in school, science is the new religion. But are these philosophies superior to the old Christian gospel? Do they wash cleaner? Do they satisfy the deep longings of the soul? Big capital letters, no. For they are incapable of dealing with sin, the grave, and eternal destruction. Only the good news that God was in Christ reconciling the world to himself, 2 Corinthians 5:19, can assure the penitent that for Jesus' sake they are forgiven and the abundant, never-ending life of heaven awaits them. Please be reminded that you've already have access to that gospel. Won't you embrace its glorious promise? In exchange for death, it offers Jesus and a beautiful afterlife through your acceptance of him. Isaiah 45:22 reads, "Look unto me, Jesus, and be ye saved, all the ends of the earth." Conclusion. The humble old hand-operated washing machine did a cleaning job superior to that of many of today's automatic washers. The old-fashioned gospel is superior to the philosophies of the modern world, and those philosophies have no power to truly cleanse the soul from sin. None whatsoever, I might add. Okay, it's time to break up into our Sunday school classes, and if you haven't heard yet, kindergarten, first grade will be back there, but we got a new Sunday school teacher today.